To create a form in Smartsheet 2025, start by logging into your Smartsheet account and navigating to the Forms tab. Click on the New Form button to begin the process. Give your form a name and description, and choose the sheet where the form submissions will be stored. Next, add fields to your form by clicking the Add Field button. You can choose from a variety of field types, including text, date, drop-down, and checkbox. Configure each field according to your needs, specifying the field label, type, and any additional settings. To make your form more user-friendly, use the drag-and-drop interface to reorder the fields. You can also add sections and separators to organize the form and improve readability. Once you have added all the necessary fields, click on the Settings icon to configure the form settings. Here you can specify the form title, description, and submission settings, including the option to send notifications and limit the number of submissions. To share your form, click on the Share button and copy the form link or embed code. You can share the link with others or embed the form on your website or intranet. Best practices for creating forms in Smartsheet 2025 include keeping the form concise and focused on a specific purpose, using clear and descriptive field labels, and testing the form before sharing it with others. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective and user-friendly forms in Smartsheet 2025 to streamline your workflows and improve productivity. In Smartsheet 2025, forms can be used for a variety of purposes, including data collection, surveys, and project intake. By leveraging the power of forms, you can automate workflows, reduce manual data entry, and make informed decisions with real-time data. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Smartsheet 2025 makes it easy to create and manage forms, empowering you to work more efficiently and effectively.